生嘅華裔年輕人有幾多個咧係主動認識中國祖先同埋文化嘅呢？嚟自灣區嘅一班華裔青年呢，舊年踏上中國尋根之旅，有人更加發現曾祖父喺100年前所種嘅龍眼樹。蔡嘉欣講下。
現場有龍虎武師助興，一行12位美籍華裔青年接受在場人士嘅祝賀。佢哋去年前往中國尋找佢哋喺珠江三角洲嘅祖先之地。參加者之一嘅凱明話：最感動嘅一刻係攬住曾祖父所種嘅龍眼樹。
My great-grandfather had planted a dragon eye tree, a Long'an tree, in my ancestral village 100 years ago. So my most memorable experience was hugging the tree and eating the fruit from it. I was so incredibly happy and emotional at the same time in that moment.
凱明話：此行令到佢認識祖先嘅艱苦生活，更加感受到中國嘅急速發展。最重要嘅係加深咗自己係中國人嘅認知。父親亦都為女兒感到驕傲。父親就話：喺美國長大嘅華裔年輕人，往往受美國文化影響而同化。
It was really a wonderful thing, and it has provided a ripple effect amongst our extended family in the sense that it's brought us all together in this sort of roots genealogy thing.
參加者從去年2月開始進行多個月嘅祖先同文化研究，再出發前往中國實地體驗。活動由三藩市中華文化中心舉辦，中心就鼓勵華裔年輕人，即使唔會講中文，旅程中有導師協助，而且年輕人適應力亦都特別強。
Lodging and food facilities are also very good. So that in general, there has been very little difficulty for young people to journey to China nowadays.
旅費方面亦都有贊助商負責來回香港同美國嘅機票，有興趣者可以到中華文化中心網址查詢活動嘅詳情。而節目台記者蔡嘉欣報道。